Hello, hello. It's me, your lady Mary Edos, aka the Lady of Truth. Yeah. This message is to Easy birthday. God bless you for the live video you made for me. I so much appreciate all what you say you want to do for me. When you talk, I'm your contact see you, may you do the thing for me. I not get your number now. Me not know where. I don't know how to find you. I see all the advice you give me, a very good one. But one thing I want to tell you be say all those things where you talk. If you not come close to me, may you force me, may you drag me, may you hold me. I know do. They hear me so. All those things where you just talk. Now very good me. I get you YouTube 2K subscriber. I want to enter there. I know how to go TikTok. I know they go. I know how to enter Instagram. If you want me, I do all those things. Now you go even call me privately. Say, hey, lao tioma lao him you in my own bound. Again, you go force me. As in, now you go push me. If not, I know do. That like you. The way I just be for media, all those say where I use, they use me, not be me. They hear me. Now God now they do all those things where they show people. I say I want to go and ship say how many where I do all those things now to show the world. Say see, this is something they hear. Me not my own not be say make I just chop, make I can't get billion, make I can't get wet. I like how I like how I dey see people like that, but the way God just they create me, me too, me I tire for my life. But one thing where I know about me, nothing where they had me. Everything I have it on a platter of gold. Things where people not fit do, I go just get them. I'll they play with them, they play ball with them. If to brand this thing, I'll fit now. But I know go fit. I know that is not me. You know fit. Unless now you go disturb me, say me we do one like this, say I will take do one. If you even they call me self, me go they postpone you. I'll go live video, I'll go sit down there. I'll go there, so all the shame. See my hair. now so God just they create me, my sister. You do well for my body. Merci. I know TikTok. I get 2K subscriber for YouTube. Me majo. And about Benin people where you see talk to, where you say make I know they speak Benin. I understand the time where I nearly on social media, I don't know that thing before. Every small thing I they say Benin people bad. Now let I come sit down. The day when this woman talk to me, Mila, I cannot forget that day. Me with her, we can't gist, we can't talk. The way she talk to me, for WhatsApp, I can't like her. She can't say, oh. Thank you. But Edo people, me I know they speak Benin, me I they speak, me I know let them know say I come from Edo. Uh, yaya mweme na jokwa henia. Say as you come from Edo people they insult you. Na so Edo be because you come from Edo state. No, since I talked to that woman, Mila Ake, I see the way she talked to me. She tell me say she love me so much. Say she like what I dey do. No, me I know they insult Edo people. Since that day, I can't really sit down and say, now truth to all Africa, now so all of us be Igbo, Yoruba. If you be Igbo, wetin Igbo person go do to you, you go know something. If you be Yoruba, they do themselves something. Oh. Una think say I dey lie. Even this Cameroon, off the light. Cameroon. Cameroon, they do themselves something. Na true talk, na truth I just dey tell una so. When I come finish talk to Mama Mila Ake, I don't know whether na mama or whether na old woman, I don't know. I can't really say I not good though. Every small thing, even she Mila Ake see they talk that thing. She will come advise me. She see they use the word Benin people, Edo people. It not good. That word very bad. Make we they say Africa. If just talk general. Just talk general. Or this Yoruba people, no. My sister is that's the way you talk, I know why you talk. You dey feel say those people they deal with me. No. Now so all tribe be. Now so it dey for everywhere. You not go know. You understand me? The same Edo people where they beat you, another people sit there inside where they still love you. You understand me? Another person sit there inside that Edo where love you. So if you can't come out, the ones that love you inside, that is the problem. That is why I know they follow all those things. Say one that don't cost me or Bini use Bini to cost me. I say come here all that no. That one out before I know if it try again. They hear me so. I like where I come from, Edo State, Benin City. I love them. I love Edo so much because now there I come from. My papa na Ebohe, my mama na Obada. So I'm very proud of that Edo State. So I know if it change. As I be speak English, even good English, I know how to speak. But before I go talk, I put Bini. Don't say ye. So because I just like where I come from. So your advice, it good well. But wetin that advice go take rhyme, now say you can't call me for WhatsApp. Now you can't do the thing by yourself. If you wait, say make me come plan for my life. All these things where I get today, I not plan all of them. I not plan anything. I not they plan anything. I not plan how to get my children Odomundi. Now so the beautiful children just they come. I not plan say I go get anything for this my life. Now so the things just they come. I not they plan. I not they say I go. Me I come they calculate. Say hey, yeah I want to do this thing. If I do, I know they work. If I even say make I even plan, say do something, no go work. Nothing go come out from there. So the way I just be so. Anybody wey want carry this expression here go up, do it by yourself. Come meet me for WhatsApp. Do it. Tell me how you want. If that money you want, make I give you take do the thing. I'll give you. Yes, you go just do am. Say make me come say hey. I can't dey stress. Say hey, oh, I want to be this. I want to brand my expression hair. I want to take to the next level. Oh, my sister is saying, my dosi. This expression hair where I can't do. I don't know how it take come. I not plan now. Who don't do national expression. The ones where me first time for people, not even good. It's the tango. It's the tango. After I can't go deep inside. By myself, oh, I don't know how come the thing you come for put. I don't know how I tell no the cream where the rub put. I not planner. So now they understand me those they come small now. All those things where they come they do for social media not be me now. Only goes now something now God now they do. Now they hear me so. Una go see me for front of camera now say I see Mary those. There is something Holy Spirit side of me. One I not know. Not be me. Now they hear so. Now not they say know how they go do rich. I go see they where I dey. I know they fall. But people now come they buy hair from me the way they do. Now lie. Then they said then the people not they fear to send me address, say they want buy. I know why you talk that thing. They pay you say, hey, Mary Edo, so people not buy hair again. Oh, you go finish. Oh, people they fear. Now lie. Now that tell no say there is something about Mary Edos. Now the yes so. Not be evil thing they inside of me. Now the light they inside of me. Now they hear me so. I not get evil at all. People they order hair from me. Where? Not be all hair where people they buy. Not be me they call the show for Facebook. Oh. Not be all all those one where they carry on the show now say make una serious for this you know. It go help oh. It go help oh. Now make una go see today I go talk one thing tomorrow I go say I don't want again no do again like that. Shebi na dey now no one understand me. People you they curse me don't say I curse them. For social media na so I tell they present. Now so I tell they talk right from time because the insult where they insult self me no even know where they come out from my mouth self. Now they hear me. It not they reach my mind. Now so I tell they do for Facebook. If I not put Uzu or you the craze, I not go fit do anything for social media. I know you know they sweet me self. If I did do all those things, me to me go they laugh. Now they hear me. So many people since now then they say I be Ozuo. See as I just waste my talent. Now lie everything now my life dey for God hand. Now God know how you go take do me. I no fit come the plan for God hand. Now God bring me come this life. So God make it use me the way he want use me. After I'll go rest. That is just myriad dose. So anybody that want to contribute to expression here, that want to take to the next level, you have to call my WhatsApp and come you will do it by yourself. Yes, you will be the one to organize it. Mewa working mekia. Mewa ala Facebook. Mona see the one where I do. Yeah, people. See your head. Message ben. If they make me they happy, they give me joy the way I do for social media. If they give me joy. Now they hear me so. as in Mona forgive me for that one where I can't say I go die on timely death and una one the cost I go die. I don't want say make anything happen to una and me also make God not let bad thing happen to me. You understand me? Una own let me have to return because any cost will come out from my mouth like that as I don't carry Bible, it dey risky very much. So make God don't let any of una die on timely death in Jesus' name. Make una not dey curse me again. The ones where I tell that hey, they crash the mad, see your nose. That one of course. Eh? Or I'll come to say bad woman wey want kill your husband. You want really kill your husband? Eh? You want really kill your husband? Eh? The problem will be where they are, what the apple be saying? I don't get secret. I don't get secret, and the way they bring everything come out. And a lot of people, the ones where they put the sheep self, people they jealous and well self. Yes. People they jealous that all this hair where the sheep, that they jealous of. And if me say make me do the way Izegbe they talk, me go buy the money will go for my account, not be small. But I not just be that person, gosh. I not just be that person. I not sabi. When people they get one way me one get only me a wa mu diaji. Me ma o ma de kame. De ma wa mu go no kwa ma de me ma de ke. So my sister Izegbe, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you very much. If you want me to get more money, una not know a person will be bad person. It go just dey miss of una. It go dey kill una. No. That is why many people are dying in this world. But if you are going with Mary Edo, somebody like me, you will not die. You will not see bad things. You will not see temptation. You understand? Because I'm very wholehearted. But people whether they know how to talk, whether they respect, all those people they'll kill you finish. You know, no. But me, God forbid, I cannot even hurt anybody in my life. Person wey go hurt person, no fit come out for the whole world. You come they say, see your nose, see as you be. So I dey tire for human beings. Me dey tire for the way people. Now that is why I not dey mind them. I'll just dey suffer, they do my own, they go, I just dey continue. Yeah. But for all those presenters who now say make I not dey mind them, make I not dey talk for their matter, I no go fit stop that one. Because if they make me, they give me joy. If I just see sit down, I say I no get no one war na. I been na if I go your carry na. Thing I go do na. I like play. I like all this big life where people use a plan or gidigan. I not sabi. Me like play. If I just cause a no get, just cost me for that side. Edi me wa. Angelica wa 100 years. I'm not lacking anything. I'm very okay. The way God just say bring me on this life. I love everyone. I don't have anybody in my mind. I don't have any evil towards anybody in my mind. That is a great one. That one is a very great one. There are a lot of people right now, they have evil towards human beings like them. They are planning to kill them. They are planning to make them fall. That one a punishment for that person. Me now not get all those kind of things for my mind. My mind is very pure. So that is why I say, like that inside this bed, now not they do hell. I just relax now because I don't do holiday. I just dey free. So even now they get me. And if you are those kind of person, make una, I know fair advice because it's in your blood. You cannot advise something that is in one blood to come out to be out. Like me now, it don't dey my blood. Say I go there for show me that they joke. Even when I dey 100 years, I hear your okpo. Yeah, hear your okpo. Monica, waka where I love it. That is why you will never see me. All these presenters when they go they cause they say now me go see come out come join us. Say mona leave them. See stainless music I mean they use say the bubble now. I'm not better off than them. I'm not better past them. And for people to be saying that one is better off than one, it's not good. Everybody is equal in the eyes of God Almighty. So if I can be working with people in Africa, the people I'm working with in Africa, the money I'm sending to them, they have never dreamed of having it. But I play with them. I go close to them. But some people in my shoes, they will not do it. Never. They will even look for assistant to be talking to them. But I will be the one to even call them on video call. Will be flowing. Now God now creates me like that, and I'm very happy the way I am. People that have that have billion, and me one day everybody, all of us will go. It's 6 feet. So there will be no need for all those things. So anybody want to take expression high to the me. Wakuma. I will tell you to help me to do it because I will not do. Do you know that I have a husband inside this house? I have a man, a very great man. If they talk, he don't tire. He don't leave me. Now the time my man don't know me, now he dey stress. Since when he know me, not the stress. He just leave me. Put you know say that's why I just be. Now they hear so. So for those of you insulting me, don't insult me. KO family, I love you so much. I don't mean what I say to you. I don't come out to just as in make I come fall you, make you fall. I just want to play. I'm playing. And see your husband be go wear bra, not the shit. I just want to play. I'm just like that. And I play me to say me day, but they say na bad thing. And the first of you insulting KO family now. It's not good. It's not good. And since I never mentioned those family name, una not cause them more. As I just mentioned their name, una just not good now. Why not they behave like that? Una supposed to not marry those now already say, nah, so I be for social media. Person not go talk to me, I go just go you go you go greet them. Bam. After he come back. The person self go say Jesus marry those as I like and rich. Me o come dey look pian. I don't know, not very so. But una can't carry the matter now, can't turn her. Say the woman they bath with the oimi water. Una they lie. Jesus Christ na lie oh. Why not be like that? The time where I not call her name, why una not talk all those things? So now they fear. Now they fear. If me just when now so does it do for that Yobosa girl. As I just thought to all of them, just have to the insult and come say Jesus Christ. So Erinya hate ya. Me that just call their name. I don't even hate them. Now so I just be. And I saw the city they insult me back. People. So and na so I go dey. I no go change. So make una just anybody wey wan do anything. If you even come close to me for expression where you go even get money. It's for everybody. It's opened. It's open. Do you know how many people are making millions of naira already in expression hair that I bring out? But me, I'm just playing here. Me just they use and say they play. But people are calling me fool. Remember, we are all going to enter 6 feet. There will be no need for you to be my front. It's vanity upon vanity. Do you hear me? So a lot of people they are making money with expression hair already. And I'm very happy. And remember, if you come close to me that is the ambassador, you come close to me, you will make your money also. You will even make cash more than me. Yes. My own are just make una let me be for social media. Me I just they laugh they go. Make I just they talk what I want talk they go. If they make me they happy, but now una say oh no, say I be bad person. Do you know how many people are making money already? I'm the one that bring out expression here. I am the one that put the prices. So God is giving me an award for that. I'm working with God. I'm not working with human being. Do you guys hear me? I'm a very, very happy person as I'm talking to you people right now. You will not understand. Why is she happy? What is inside of her? Because I don't have anything heavy in my heart. Nothing. So pure. That is why I'm very, very happy. So make money with expression. Hey, okay? You guys are wasting time. I'm telling you people now that come and learn now. Some of you are saying that some people, they are paying the 500 euros. But some of them, they are saying it's too expensive. By the time tomorrow, I will still play and change you. I will say, no, teach again. Mona, they go. Mona, they go. That time now, it will be too late. Now, I will carry you, sit down for WhatsApp. I will teach you 500 euro. You are gossiping. You are gossiping and saying that matter. You don't know what you are going to miss later. Later you are going to cry because there is nobody that will learn it and come and show it to you. There will be a time I will not teach anybody. Even Izengbe Ogbede, you have to call my WhatsApp. There is something I want to tell you. You say you will go to TikTok. You are going to make a lot of money with expression hair. There is a way I'm going to help you. You just pay the 500 euro. I will of money. Well, what's me? Okay. Where is the amigo? Egbedo where? Where are they? Just come. I will just as you are coming, hold your 500 euro, and I will tell you the rest thing that you will do. You will make a lot of money with expression hair. Okay? I love you. 500 euro too much. 500 euro is not too much, my dear. 500 euro is just for a matter of time. Very okay. Okay, if you want to learn. yeah, give me 1,000. I'm like that. From 1,000, I will say, I will not teach a girl. Now give me 2,000. I'm just like that. Okay. Before it was 50 euro. 50 euro, 100. 500 now. Is still going. It's still going. Very soon to be 1,000. Yes, very. That's why I be, Now so many those yours be. Now here. So I will not say it here. I have a new for the people that want to learn. I have advice for them that they will make a lot of money. Some people who are learning now, yeah, they will make a lot of money. They will not even they will even come and add me money on top of the 500 euro. They will just be calling me, those I want to send something for you because I have a new development again now. Something just come. I'm not talking for social media. I don't know where they from they come. This is my head. I don't know where it is from they come. But this one I'm not talking. I'm not talking. So it's Bogbede. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just come to WhatsApp. We have deal. We have deal that you will benefit from. Okay? You will so enjoy. Come, may you come. Me not know where me go find you. May you just come. Come my WhatsApp. I go tell you something. You go hold your head, babe. Now so God just say create me. The thing just they come like that. You know? So may you come, yeah? Come with your 500 euro because you are going to make money because you are talking about TikTok, talking about YouTube. I'm going to help you make a whole lot of money, but just forget about Meriados, okay? The ones where they get, so it's enough, my dear. Then my mommy, not carry them take play. Then they buy. Many of them, they be at those states. They love me, Then they buy, many na Igbo, many na Yoruba, many na Cameroon. Then they buy, true to God. The hair, all the hair where they bring come from human beings. If not, they're not satisfied. Them not go ever satisfied with the money. They go see they fine. So my own, anyone where God give me, I will appreciate. Oh, I go just a jump up. I go just a dance. I'm just like that. Yeah. So Izengbe Ogbede, come in my WhatsApp. We have talk. You go enjoy. For this thing what you do for the whole world for me, Izengbe Ogbede, I'm going to make you blow. I'm going to make you blow, but come with your 500 euro. Come. Not us say that me supposed give you. No. I don't. You don't understand. Come, let me teach you. What is the talk? Why she wanted to do? Well, what the matter? Bumi ade. Izengbe Ogbede. Bumi ade WhatsApp. Tama wo the 500 euro wale legbere ukoke. Ido me. One wow again kaka but one. I love you so much for the advice. God bless you. Bye.